If your skin looks tired, dull, and lifeless, you don't need magic. You need a skin reset, Cinderella style. Before washing, wake your skin. Tired skin needs movement, not foam. Use a low foam cleanser. Clean skin should feel soft, not tight. Dull skin needs vitamins, not harsh brightening. Once a week, reset your glow. Tired skin loves gentle masks. Cold tools wake tired skin faster than makeup. Protect your glow. Tired skin gets worse without SPF. Real glow doesn't come at midnight. It comes from balance.